Okay, next is the AIO, which is a deep cool Infinity Series LS520. It cost me like I don't know, it was like 99 bucks. I could have got a 3, which might be better. I don't know. We'll see. If I have to buy another one, then I will. But I wanted the 2 because I didn't want to clutter up my case too much. But of course, we all know that you got to keep that CPU cool. That 13700K. So, sorry. So, again, sorry about the quality of the video. Let's see what this thing looks like. Get over here. Alright, so the box is kind of generic, you know. Open this baby up. Okay, well, it looks a little different than I thought it was going to look. Okay, so it comes with 2 fans. This is probably all the brackets and stuff that you might need. The I guess that's for the LED and USB and stuff. Here's the brackets. I'm hoping it came with the 11700 bracket, which it should have. I don't know if it tells you on here. So the rating is, it's LGA 2066 to 11, 1700 and 1200, and then some others. Radiator is aluminum. Pump rated voltage is 12. Pump rated current 0.47 amps. Pump power consumption is 5.64 watts. Fan dimensions are 120 by 120. Fan speed goes up to 2250 RPMs. Fan airflow is 85.85 CFM, whatever that means. Bearing type is a fluid dynamic bearing. Fan connector is a 4-pin. It's got RGB. Fan noise, it says, is 32.9 decibels. I don't know if that's at max. So they have like an anti-leak solution here, it says. Although the liquid cooling radiator features low noise, high radiation efficiency, and other advantages, its potential safety hazards shouldn't be ignored. While the cooler is working, the coolant's temperature rises, so will the volume expand. Sometimes gas can be generated within the system, which will further increase the system's pressure. When the pressure exceeds the system's critical level, a leakage will occur. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Well, that's not good. Anyway, let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's hope this thing can go up pretty high temperatures. All right, let's look at this thing. So, let's see what this looks like. I don't want to damage the radiator. So it's pretty big. I thought it was going to be much smaller. Okay, we're back. The thing's shut off again. All right, so I'll take out this radiator. Try not to damage it because it keeps banging into it. So here's what this thing looks like. It's pretty big, actually. So, yeah. So that should be fine, pretty much in any case. Um, you know, the fans seem like they're going to go on here just fine. So that should be sufficient, hopefully, for the 13700K. It does have the thermal paste already on it. So technically, you don't need to put thermal paste because this stuff, when it heats up, it'll get, I think it, you know, solidifies a little bit and, you know, kind of spreads out evenly or whatever you call it. So, yeah. So, that's the deep cool. Oh, sorry. The deep cool LS520. So it seems like that will be fine. Just put that there. I messed up. Can never put stuff back the way it came, you know. Yeah, so hopefully that will be enough for the 13700K. I'm hoping, and I'm hoping it's not too loud. You know, because I bought a Corsair one a while back for my 7820X processor. Man, that thing is just so loud when I run the computer. It's ridiculous. All right, this is not going back on. There we go. Okay. There we go. All right. Next.